Hello everyone and welcome to AMA Air This Week, your weekly look into the world of model aviation. Coming up today, we've got your December Club of the Month, a very special unboxing of a new exhibit in the National Model Aviation Museum, and we'll tell you how you can give the gift of membership this holiday season. All that and more coming up today on AMA Air This Week. Well, thanks for joining me here on AMA Air This Week, your weekly look into the world of model aviation. All of the stories you hear today can be found in your AMA This Week newsletter that comes right to your inbox. If you're not receiving AMA This Week, just head on over to modelaircraft.org/newsletters/AMA This Week and subscribe today. Well, the December Club of the Month has been revealed on last week's AMA Air. The DC Radio Control Club has been an AMA chartered club since 1951. That's over 68 years. Their membership of over 200 pilots calls Walt Good Field their home in Montgomery County, Maryland, and it includes a paved runway, covered pit area, workbenches, test stands, solar charging, and so much more. The DCRC also offers training via a flight school and free introductory flights for the public. They are one of our ambassador clubs whose members do an excellent job promoting the hobby in surrounding communities and at many flying events. If you'd like to learn more about the DC Radio Control Club, head on over to modelaircraft.org/clubs, where we have links to their website and social media. The National Model Aviation Museum is home to some of the most iconic and historic model aircraft in the world, and a brand new exhibit that just arrived is a worthy addition to the collection. But what is it? Well, Museum Director Michael Smith shared his unboxing video with all of you, and while I don't want to ruin the surprise, I'll tell you that it is a Tournament of Champions winning aircraft and performed what is widely known as the first modern 3D aerobatic maneuvers in front of a public audience. Now, some of you may already know what this mystery airplane is, but if not, well, you can find a link to this unboxing video in your AMA This Week newsletter or in the description box below. Well, did you know that you can purchase memberships for additional adult household members for just $45 per year? Well, give us a call at 765-287-1256, extension 129, to get more information on this discount or contact our membership department through our website. While there, you can also renew your membership as well. And if you've already renewed, we want to thank you so much for your support. Well, there is so much more that you can find in your copy of AMA This Week, including content tailored specifically for your modeling interests. But if you're not subscribed to AMA This Week, you can head over to modelaircraft.org/newsletters/AMA This Week. There you can also check out all of our past issues so you don't miss out on any of that awesome content. Well, until next time, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you right here again next week on AMA Air This Week.